The sum of the exponents of prime factors in the prime factorization of 1771 is answer to 3. If Tn is the nth term of AP, then the value of Tn plus 1 minus Tn minus 1 is, you substitute the formula for Tn plus 1 and cancelling it 2D. If x plus y equal to 3, x square plus y square equal to 5, then xy is, answer is 2. The area of a triangle formed by the points minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2 and 2, 0 is 4. The area of an equilateral triangle is 25 root 3 cm square, then the perimeter is 30 cm. If the ratio of the surface area of two cubes is 16:36, then the ratio of their sides will be 2:3. 1 by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 by 1 minus sin theta equal to 2 secant square theta. Given that sin A equal to 1 by 2 and cos B equal to 1 by root 2, then the value of A plus B is 75 degree. If 5 tan theta equal to 4, then the value of 5 sin theta minus 4 cos theta divided by 5 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is 0. If cos A minus B equal to root 3 by 2 and sin A plus B equal to 1, then the value of A and B is 60 degree and 30 degree. Which statement is true? Each of the angle of a triangle can be equal to 60 degree is the correct answer. If the diagonals of the rhombus are 18 cm and 24 cm, then its side is 15 cm. Which of the following numbers will completely divide 4 power 61 plus 4 power 62 plus 4 power 63 plus 4 power 60 is 10. The diagonal of the rectangle root 41 cm and its area is 20 cm square. The perimeter of a rectangle must be 18 cm. Chords are marked from 1 to 50 are placed in a box and mixed thoroughly. A chord is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability of this chord to be a multiple of 5? 1 by 5. The graph of the line x minus y equal to 0 passes through the point 0, 0. If 9x plus 7, 2x plus 9 are the factors of the quadratic polynomial, then the coefficient of x is 95. Simplify 5 into x power 1 by 3 plus 27 power 1 by 3 whole power 3 whole power 1 by 4 is 5. The numbers 2, 3, 4, 4, 2x plus 1, 5, 5, 6, 7 are written in ascending order. If the median of 5, then the x plus 1 equal to 5, the x equal to 2. Lactometer is an instrument which works on the principle of law of flotation. A 250 kg bike is ridden by a circus man at a speed 20 meter per second in a circular path of diameter 100 meter. Calculate the acceleration. Answer is 8 meter per second square. Find the odd one out. 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. 1 astronomical unit. Distance between sun and earth. The spectacular glow of diamond is due to total internal reflection. It's a very important question. A song was heard by a person who is at certain distance from a temple wherein the frequency of the sound is 3 Hz and the wavelength is 20 cm. If the sound reaches a person 5 seconds, find the distance traveled by the sound is 3 km. If a current of 5 ampere flows through the heater and the amount of the heater produced 54,000 joule in 6 minutes, then find the resistance of the electric heater is 6 ohm. Match the following. Formation of real and inverted images of objects is retina. controls the amount of the light entering the pupil is iris. Pathway of the light to retina pupil. Refracts or bends the light on the lens is cornea. So answer is 1. Pick out the correct pair or pairs. Radiation. Heat is transformed in the form of waves. It can occur even in vacuum. So answer A only. Correct the given statement. The spectral lines having frequency equal to the incident ray frequency is called Raman lines. Rayleigh lines. Answer is Rayleigh lines. The only moon in the solar system that moves the opposite direction to the direction in which the planet spins. Tritron. The reason for using red light in traffic signals to stop vehicles. Answer is red light has longer wavelength. Which one of the following is not related to Joule's law of heating? Answer is H equal to VI or T square. Convert 1 kilowatt into horsepower. Answer is 1.34 HP. Pick the odd one out. CCl4 carbon tetrachloride, which is toxic. Match the following. Tyndall effect not observed in true solution. Brownian movement. Colloidal particles move in zigzag direction. Centrifugation separates blood cells from blood samples. Paper chromatography. Paper chromatography separates different color dyes. That is, answer is first one. The law of multiple proportion was proposed by John Dalton. Assertion. Bronze is an alloy. Reason. Alloy bears the characteristics of both metal and non-metal. Answer is A is correct, but R doesn't explain A. Find odd one out. Mesmerization. Two BBO plus C gives 2 PB plus CO2 is an example of redox reaction. The ratio of concentrated HCl and concentrated HNO3 is kings of water is 3:1 is very important question 1. Find the incorrect pair. The answer is magnesium hydroxide, manufacturer of fertilizers. Which one of the following resin codes in plastic items are unsafe? 3, 6, 7 is the answer. Which among the following highly toxic and inflammable gas? CS2. The reason for instability of nanoparticles. Hydration. Answer is hydration. Occult fingerprints are made visible by the use of which turns purple? Ninhydrin. Answer. Pick out the correct formula for blue vitriol. CuSO4 2H2O. When exposed to sunlight, parenchyma cells must develop chloroplast and are known as chlorenchyma. Give the correct equation of photosynthesis. 6CO2 plus 6H2O is C6H12O6 plus 6O2. In some bacteria outside the cell wall, there is an additional similarly protective layer called capsule polysaccharides made up of which are wrong about the adoption of hydrates. B and D. Floating leaves have short leaf stack. Submerged leaves are broad and big. Ayush refers to the system of medicine of all of the above. Unani, Siddha, Ayurveda. Father of plant anatomy. Nagamaya Guru. Assertion: the opening and closing of stomata is due to change in integrity of the gods. A reason: evaporation of water in plants through stomata in leaves is called transpiration. Answer is 3. When each attacks itself to the body of host, continuous supply of blood maintained by the presence of gas in salivary glands. Answer is hyoidine, which acts the pacemaker of the heart. Sinoatrial node. Pick out the incorrect pair. Answer is AB blood group, William Harvey. Find the odd man out. Answer is Willie. Functions of areolar connective tissues. Joint to skin muscle fills space inside organs, helps to repair tissues after injury. So answer is third one. Match the following. Trypsin acts on protein. Amylase breakdown starts to maltose. Bile converts fat to smaller droplets. Lipase digests fat. That is answer 3 is correct. Which among the following has 3-chambered heart? Answer is frog. Never was so much owned by so many to so few was saying of Winston Churchill. Match the following. Chinese civilization, invention of gunpowder. Mesopotamian civilization, Hammurabi's law code. Indus Valley civilization developed the system of weights and measures. Egyptian civilization, the Great Sphinx. Find the odd one out. Nedunal Vadai. Identity: the two cities in India which started declining in 1750 due to the increasing power of European companies, Surat and Hooghly. Utopia, a stare on political evil, was written by Sir Thomas More. Assertion: men distinguished a Native American boarded the cargo vessels carrying tea and threw the tea overboard, which sailed in Boston Tea Party. This incident led to the answer is D. Arrange the following events in the chronological order. Battle of Marine, Battle of Jutland, Fascist Party, Great Depression. The founder of Widow Remarriage Association, M.G. Ronde. The number of member countries in UNO as in August 2019 is 193. The British engineer who diverted the flow of Periyar River towards east. Answer is Colonel Penicuik. Find the incorrect statement. Erythraean Sea refers to the water around the Red Sea. The difference in local time between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh is 1 hour 57 minutes 12 seconds. Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Aminith was renamed Lakshadweep Island in the year 1973. Pick out the odd man out. Chilka Lake, restore fresh water. This is salt water. In India, bauxite deposits abundantly in Odisha. The company which provides helicopter service to oil and natural gas corporation, Brownhorns. Pick out the odd man out. Shivalik, this is hills, restore towns. Match the following. Dabti, Multai. Narmada, Amarkand. Godavari, Nasik. Mahanadi, Shikawa. Statement 1. 70% of Indian rainfall is received from southwest monsoon. Statement 2. Tamil Nadu, which is located in the leeward side, receives abundant rainfall. Statement 1 is correct and 2 is incorrect. Dash are the long furrows which are formed when the joints of limestone rocks are corrugated by groundwater is lapis. Which among the following statements are correct? Troposphere is called weather-making layer. Is the correct answer. The significance of Grand Banks of Newfoundland fishing ground. That's the answer. Dash has been described as the key to the Constitution. Answer is preamble. Which among the statements related to the qualification for the election of president is or incorrect? He must have attained the age of 25 years. That is B only. Who was India's 12th president? Mrs. Pratibha Patil. Who is appointed according to Article 216, Chief Justice of High Court? Rule 49 more describes not willing to elect any candidate. Dash is exempted from RTA Act, Intelligence Bureau. The new Panchayat Raj came into being in Tamil Nadu 1994. So answer is 1994. Pick the odd man out. Mithali Raj. She is a player. The first chairman of National Human Rights Commission, Justice Rangnath Mishra. Which writ upholds the fundamental rights of citizen? Prohibition. Folks Act was passed in the year 2012. Match the following: Net National Product, GDP, Gross Domestic Product, GMP, Net Domestic Product, GDP, Gross National Product, GMP. Pick odd man out. Answer is iron. The author of the book An Uncertain Glory, Amartya Sen. The leading solar power producing state in India is Tamil Nadu. The water consumed in production process is an agricultural and industrial product, soft water. An index used to measure the real development is an economy, HDI. The Nobel Prize winner in economics in 2018, William D. Nardas and Paul M. Romer. All the best, students.